Hey there, I hope everyone is doing well as of right now. And so I was just wanting to make this video so that I could show you guys how to use CodeScrim. And what CodeScrim allows us to do is essentially give out practice problems so y'all can practice your programming skills. So just to start, in order to access our CodeScrim workspace, what you have to do is you have to go to pcodelab.codescrim.com. And so if you just do this, you'll be taken to this page where you can sign in with Google, with GitHub if you have one, or you can just sign up with an email. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google. So you'll just put in your email address, and then press next, you'll put in your password. I'm going to go ahead and cut it right here so I can sign in without having to show y'all my info. So once you've signed in, you should be welcome to this page right here. You'll notice that there is like some tabs on the left, and so there's like a beginner tab, intermediate, advanced, and then there's this last tab right here. And so if you just click on it, it'll just tell you a little bit about ourselves and how the system works, and you can also contact us through any of these means. And so I was just going to show you guys how to essentially use CodeScrim. So right now there's not very many problems, but how we've partitioned the problems is there will be a beginner tab, intermediate tab, and advanced tab. Depending on how confident you are in your programming abilities, you can try to tackle on different types of problems. So for example, in the beginner tab we have 2 problems right now. In the intermediate and advanced tab we don't have any problems as of right now, but as time goes on we'll add some more problems for y'all to practice with. So I'll just be completing this hello world problem. Just to show you guys how CodeScrim works and all. So if I just click on it, you'll be greeted with like this new page with like the problem title, how many points it's worth, the amount of time it can run for, and so you'll be given like an introduction. And so for this problem, we're just going to be printing out hello world to a screen. And so for some problems, you might require some type of input. For this one, you won't. And then your output should just be hello world. So you can either upload a solution, so you can code it, let's say on one of your favorite like editors, and then you can upload it that way, or you can just solve the problem online. And so if you press solve problem online, you'll be greeted by this page, and actually this isn't here. It should you should have like a comment that says code goes here. And so in order to solve this problem, you can just type in all the code you need right in this editor. And so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to print out hello world, so we can do that simply by doing system.out.println hello world. And so if you want to test your solution, so if there's some sample input, then you can always put your input in here. We don't have an input for this problem, so we can just run the program, and you'll see it prints out hello world. And so that's for testing. And now if you want to submit it, you can press submit, and then you'll press run and submit. And then it'll say problem solved, and you can close this tab. And so yeah, once you've finished this, I'm just gonna close this. So close that. And you'll notice that if you come here, you'll see a +1 and a check because you solved it correctly. If you solve it incorrectly, then you won't see that +1. It'll tell you that your solution doesn't work. And then if you look here in the top right hand corner, you'll see that you'll see your amount of points you have from all the problems you solved, and you can even come to the leaderboard. And right now I have 1 point, and therefore I'm in first place, but you can also be competing with all the other members on CodeScrim. If you guys have any questions, y'all can contact us at contact@projectcodelaborate.org, or y'all can leave a comment down in the comment section down below. And thank you for joining us in these times. Thank you.